Okay, still on HTML quotations, we're going to be talking about the Q, which is what? For short quotations, okay? Remember that we spoke about the block quote, which is usually for citing quotes, or citing a particular text or paragraph from another person or another page or another website, okay? But for this case, I'm talking about the Q, which is for quotation, just quotations, and it's for short quotations, okay? Just for short quotations. So we said the HTML Q tag defines short quotations. And we see from our example here that it is short, right? So let's just go and practicalize this on our VS Code and see what we have, okay? We're going to clear this, okay, and we're going to write something here. I'm going to write the president said there will be public holiday on Monday. Good, so let's save this and let's go to our browser and see what we have. The president said, okay, let me close my console. The president said there will be public holiday on Monday. Okay, so let's add our Q tag to it, okay, and see what we have. Let's add it here. So let's go and close it after the Monday. Okay, and let's save it and let's come back to our browser. And you see now it has added a quotation mark to it. Okay, initially there was no quotation mark. You notice that there was no quotation mark before now, and now that we have added the Q, there is a quotation mark. Okay, so let's just run through one more example. Let's say P a paragraph, or let's just use our H1. Okay, let's use our H1. Let's use our H1. Okay, let's just cancel this closing tag. And let us say this heading is an instruction, or let's just say this website greets you hello. Let's save it and let's come back to our browser and see what we have. This website, we have our own spelling of greets, so greets, okay, good, greets you hello. Okay, so we want to make our hello a quote. Okay, so I just want to come here and we're going to put our quote, our Q, our quotation tag, that's the Q. Okay, so don't forget, before and after you open and you close your tag. Okay, then we'll save it and we'll come back to our browser and we'll see it's already in a quote. This website greets you hello. Okay, so do it, practicalize this. Practicalize this using your VS Code or your CodePen.io. Just practice and get better. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.